Hi, welcome back on the Weather Research channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open a Xiaomi Redmi 7 version. This is the model, as you see. So you can open the phone if you want to change the battery, motherboard, or any other parts from it. So first of all, we need to take some plastic tool. And if you want, you can hair dry it and hold this back cover, but it's not glue, it's plastic. You hear it? So you don't crack it. So low the light here. Okay, so try to open it. Just look the phone. You can use a slim tool like this and just slide it here. Yep, maybe like this, and you can now slide the plastic tool like this and around the phone gently. Okay, and just simply open it carefully. You should care about the fingerprint here. Yep. So there is a flex. So in this case, we're gonna be open it. Oh, the screw, the screws is in gold color. I firstly see the gold screws in the phone. Anyway, we're gonna be turn off this battery. So I'm gonna be insert here the screwdriver and just unscrews all the screws from the main board. Why is gold? I don't know. Okay, that's right. Unplug this flex from the fingerprint. Okay, and as you see, there is a main board here, and this is the battery. This is the USB-C port with the speaker and buzzer. This is the camera. And now I'm gonna be turn off this phone because I suppose it has a little lag. Maybe it will be help for him. Maybe. No. There's that. But yesterday this phone was working. I don't know why he's now not working. Doesn't get any DC here. 0.3, but nothing happened on the LCD. Try to reconnect this flex, and one more time connect this flex. Okay. 0.3. Okay, anyway, in this case my phone doesn't work. As you see, it's dead, completely dead. But the as you see, the lamp, flashing lamp is here and it's flashing. So maybe in the few minutes and hours this phone gonna be wake up. Maybe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, as you see, the LCDs have a fault. It's been flashing, but as you see, it has a little problem with that. Maybe it's some problem with DC, but oh yeah, the problem is with the USB-C, micro USB port. Yep, this is the 0%, and if I put the finger right here, something's here working. That's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!